Hello everyone and welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I want to show you how to mix and match dishes to make a great tablescape. If you've ever had dishes that were from different patterns like these, close but not the same, right? Well, I want to show you how I'm going to use them in my next tablescape. I'm going to mix and match these two patterns and see how they turn out. So if you're interested in seeing this mixed matched tablescape, then stick around. Okay guys, I got a set of dishes, two different sets from Goodwill. These plates I bought from Goodwill sometime last year. I didn't get a chance to use them. So I got these plates from Goodwill. And I liked, of course, red's my favorite color, but I just really liked the pattern around here. And I just knew I could do something with them. So I only got 4 of them. There were only 4 plates like this. So I got the 4 from Goodwill. And then sometime early this year before we got shut down, I bought a set of these dishes, just 4 of the little bowls and some random platters and what have you. And I'm going to use those another time. But when I bought these, I liked them. I wish they had a whole set, but I liked them. And I said to myself when I bought them, hey, I wonder if I could use those with those dishes that I bought, thinking about these. And so I held them up together and I said, you know what? I think this could work, right? They don't have to be matchy-matchy. They're all in the same family. You can tell from the colors. So I'm going to take them downstairs and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them in a Christmas tablescape. I'm going to head down to the dining room right now and show you how I'm going to lay these out. So come along with me. So I'm going to start with these Dollar Tree plates. Everybody recognizes these red Dollar Tree plates, right? So I'm going to start with those first. Okay, working with those first. And I'm going to try some layering. So look at that. It's not bad, right? And next I'm going to go with the bowl. Bam. And you can see the colors. It's not matchy-matchy, but I think it kind of goes together, right? Look at that pattern. The pattern isn't the same, but it's similar. So that's what I mean. I think we can work with this. And let's not be afraid to mix and match some of our dishes if we don't have a complete set. Because especially if you're thrifting, you don't always find a complete set. All right, let's try the second place setting. All right, once again, red Dollar Tree plate, thrift store find, and the bowl. Not bad, right? So there you have it, folks. It's a mix and match tablescape, and this is something you can do. Just mix them up. I can't wait to see if I can find more of these. And keep my eye open at Goodwill looking for more of these. So thank you so much for checking out my mixed matched tablescape. I hope this was helpful. And if you've done anything like this before, leave me a comment below. Let me know. If you haven't done it, if you're going to try something like that, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And for my returning friends, thanks so much. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the other videos that are in my content. Thanks, guys.